Wrong cassava presser equals throwing money away. Today, Henan Jinrui shows you two common options. Hydraulic press vs. plate frame filter press. Pick the right one. First, the hydraulic press. This is the most common cassava pressing machine, often integrated into garri production line. It applies stable, high pressure to cassava mash and squeezes out excess moisture in just seconds, bringing moisture content down to about 40%. But keep in mind, the hydraulic press is semi-automatic. Loading and unloading still require manual labor. Now, if you need more automation, here's the next level. The plate frame filter press is common in cassava flour lines. It's highly automated, automatic feeding and discharging. It also applies pressure to the material, quickly reducing moisture content to around 38%. So, which one is for you? Here's the bottom line from Henan Jinrui. For smaller capacity garri lines with low automation needs, the hydraulic press saves you on upfront cost. For larger capacity, highly automated cassava flour lines, the plate frame filter press pays itself back through labor savings. Henan Jinrui, 15 years in cassava processing equipment. Follow us for more cassava machine tips. Next, locally made vs. imported hydraulic press in Nigeria, which wins?